When it comes to money, people can be divided into three groups. The first group is made up of about 80% of people who are just getting by or living close to the poverty line. The money they earn is barely enough to cover their needs, and they can't save or invest. The second group is around 15% of people, and these are the rich. They live a more comfortable life, and they can save and invest to some extent. But here's the difference. The wealth of rich people doesn't last for generations. Then we have the third group, the wealthy, making up about 5%. Their wealth is passed down through generations and lasts for a long time. In this video, we're not going to dive into the wealthy group's money management system because it's pretty complicated. Instead, we'll focus on how the rich, or that 15%, manage their money. So, how do they do it? The rich divide any money they receive, whether it's from a salary, gift, bonus, or investment, into three accounts: obligations account, investment account, and personal account. Basically, whenever the rich get any amount of money, they split it evenly into these three accounts. 1/3 goes into each. Let me give you an example to show just how powerful this system can be. Let's say someone has a monthly salary of $10,000. They split it up by putting $3,300 into the obligations account, $3,300 into the investment account, and $3,300 into the personal account. Now we'll focus on two accounts, the obligations account and the investment account. Let's assume the money in the personal account will be spent by the end of the month. In the first month, they have $3,300 in the obligations account. If their monthly obligations, like utility bills, car payments, and other recurring expenses, add up to $2,500, they'll subtract that from the obligations account, leaving $800. If they stick to this system, they'll save $800 each month. After 1 year, they'll have $9,600 saved in the obligations account, and they shouldn't touch this money unless it's for obligations. Now, let's say they have a loan to pay off, and that loan is $225,000. They can let the money in the obligations account build up until it reaches the loan amount, which will take about 31 months. Once they pay it off, let's assume their monthly obligations decrease from $2,500 to $2,000, increasing their savings in the obligations account to $1,300 each month instead of $800. If they keep following this system after paying off the loan, the money in the obligations account will grow faster. After 1 year, they'll save $15,600. After 2 years, it'll grow to $31,200. After 3 years, it'll reach $46,800. With this system, they could eventually pay off the loan, reduce their monthly obligations, and have more money available each month. They won't need to take out more loans, and they'll be in a position to buy things like a car or even a house without having to borrow money from the bank. By sticking to this system, they'll be able to build wealth and reduce the burden of monthly obligations, giving them more financial freedom. Let's talk about the investment account. We agreed that $3,300 goes into this account every month. After 1 year, that amount will grow to $39,600. With this money, you can start a project and potentially double your income. If you decide to let this amount build up for another year, it'll grow to $79,200. Now, let's say you start a project that brings in $4,000 a month. Instead of putting $3,300 into each account, you could increase the amount to $4,600 per account. By doing this, the personal account will grow, leading to an improved overall lifestyle. So with this system, you can use your investments to grow your income and enhance your financial situation. The most important thing about this system is commitment and patience, because change doesn't happen overnight, and building wealth requires dedication. You should never touch the investment or obligations accounts, no matter what. If your income is so low that you can't save anything, try to increase your income by taking on extra work or finding other ways to boost your earnings. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future content. Let me know in the comments if you have any thoughts about this money management system. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.